Hello patrons, today I'm going to talk to you about deep cleaning any room. I have from time to time people asking me, when I do zone cleaning after the clutter's gone, please tell me I don't have to do every single thing on the list. That's correct. You don't have to do everything on the list. I used to think that too. I would think, okay, it's zone cleaning for the living room. Here's my list of 15 things that I need to do in here. I could probably get these done in about an hour a day, and it was just way overwhelming. That's not what I want you to do at all. You're going to do one deep cleaning thing that takes about 10 to 15 minutes. If you have some tiny little things that you can add up to take 10 or 15 minutes, that's fine too. You keep your list that has all the things that you would do. For example, if you had somebody that you paid, I know you've heard me say this before, and they cleaned your house from top to bottom and money was no object, what would you have them do in this room? So start at the top, work your way down, make a list. That's what you want done, so that's what you're going to clean. So start with the biggest thing, the thing that bugs you the most. Like you need to wash the slip covers. Then that's the thing you do that day. Now, slip covers will be washing themselves. The hardest part is putting them back on, right? So while they're washing, you could do something else. One other thing, like clean under those cushions real good, or clean under the couch, okay? But only one thing that takes about 10 to 15 minutes, or several little things that take a total of 10 to 15 minutes. That's how you do a deep clean. You're going to come back to this room every single month. The only room that you're not going to visit every single month is your other room, which I had talked to you about in the previous video. Other rooms are not visited every single month because they are not rooms that the family hangs out in. Does your family hang out in your laundry room? Really? Do you entertain in there? How about your guest room? Really? Is that your guest room, or is that a bedroom for your kids? It's a guest room. How about your garage? Do they hang out in there? Really? How about your office? Does your family hang out in there? I realize little children will play around your feet, but I mean sincerely. Do people come in there? Do you invite your guests in and have coffee or tea in that room? No. So that's why those rooms don't get a deep clean every month. You have too many rooms in your house. Now, most of us only have 1 or 2 extra rooms. I have a laundry room, a guest room, and a garage. Those are my 3 extra rooms. You may have more or less. If you have children, now your children live in their rooms, but still your friends and neighbors don't come visit in the child's room, right? So you're going to keep it clean with a basic weekly plan, and you're going to deep clean it once every so often when it falls into your zone 3 group. But other than that, every other room is visited once a month. So the front porch, the back porch, the entryway, the dining room once a month. The living room or living room dining room combination once a month. The kitchen once a month. The main bathroom once a month. And your bedroom, and if you have a master closet, which you'll have a master closet, if you have a master bath, those things are handled once a month. Now I realize that your master bath and your master closet and your master bedroom aren't places where you invite people in for tea, but you have 2 adults living in there, so it requires cleaning once a month. All right, that's it for today. I hope this was helpful. I hope you understand that you don't do everything on your list. You just do it once a month, 4 things that are deep cleaned. Why do I say 4? That's a good question. Because on Monday, we can work in the zone. Tuesday, we don't work on the zone. That's our free day. But we work in there on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So that's 4 days. I'm talking to you who are at-home patrons. 4 days. If you work outside the home, you can also do these zones in the afternoon while your supper is holding on the stove. So you don't have to do it all on Saturday. Because if you do, that's an hour's worth of work, and that's overwhelming sometimes. Even though I realize that you may have been working 6 hours in your house before spinning your wheels, I don't want you to feel that way. This day is not dedicated to house cleaning. Saturday is dedicated to family. So if you can dedicate yourself to a few minutes during supper to go do that work, After the initial declutter, all you're doing is a deep clean, which is 10 to 15 minutes, 4 days a week. Before, when you're decluttering, it's 15 minutes, which is still not a lot. You can do it. You can be dedicated. You can be disciplined. You can put your little child in the corner while you take care of this. And once it's taken care of and you clutter check it to make sure you're not recluttering, it's going to be a breeze for you. I know this sounds overwhelming sometimes, but it's actually the very simplest way that I've ever found to keep my house clean and tidy. And I'm done, so I hope that you remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.